In 1932, in the United States, hundreds of African American men were promised free healthcare. But instead of treatment, doctors secretly left them to suffer with syphilis, just to study how the disease destroyed the body over time. Even after penicillin was discovered, they were still denied medicine. Families were infected, many died, and it was all done knowingly by the very people meant to save lives. And this is just one example, because history is filled with terrifying experiments where science crossed the line. Today we're diving into the most horrifying scientific experiments ever conducted, the Stanford Prison Experiment. In 1971, psychologist Philip Zimbardo set up a fake prison at Stanford University. Students became either guards or prisoners. Within days, guards turned cruel, humiliating and abusing their peers, while prisoners broke down mentally. It was supposed to last 2 weeks, but had to be shut down after only 6 days. The experiment revealed a terrifying truth. Ordinary people can become sadistic when handed power. MK-Ultra, mind control. In the 1950s, the CIA secretly launched MK-Ultra. Its goal? To find out if the human mind could be controlled. People, often without their knowledge, were dosed with LSD, subjected to hypnosis, electroshock, and psychological torture. Many victims never recovered, and most of the records were destroyed, leaving only chilling fragments of the truth. Unit 731, Japan's Nightmare. During World War II in Manchuria, Japan's Unit 731 carried out some of the most inhumane experiments in history. Prisoners were frozen alive, dissected without anesthesia, and deliberately infected with deadly diseases like plague and cholera. Tens of thousands died. And shockingly, after the war, many of the scientists responsible went unpunished because world powers wanted their data. The Milgram experiment. In 1961, Stanley Milgram wanted to understand why ordinary people obey horrific orders. Volunteers thought they were part of a memory test. Each wrong answer from a student meant delivering an electric shock, stronger every time. The student was an actor, no shocks were real. But the volunteers didn't know that. And 65% of them went all the way to the maximum, potentially lethal shock, just because a man in a lab coat told them to. The Large Hadron Collider panic. In 2008, the world's biggest particle accelerator was turned on, the Large Hadron Collider. Scientists were thrilled, but rumors spread that it might create a black hole and swallow the Earth. The risk was never real, but for a moment, modern science triggered one of humanity's deepest fears. These stories prove something chilling. Science is not always about progress. Sometimes curiosity and power lead us into darkness. The question is, how far are we willing to go in the name of knowledge? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories. See you in the next one.